All listeners and viewers of Royal Media. Today we are going to start another new class and a new big class. Our today's topic is logarithm. Before going to start, we have to understand some important facts and formula regarding logarithm. Logarithm, if a is a positive real number other than 1 and a power m equals to x, then we write m equals to log a power x, and we say that the value of log x to the base a is m. It's quite difficult. That's why we are going to start some example. Example number 1. If log a power xy, then we write down log a x. We know multiplication will be converted into addition. That means plus. Again log a power y. Here is our formula number 1. Then formula number 2, log a power x divided by y. Then we can write down log a x. Division will be converted into subtraction. That means minus log a power y. Again log a x p. Then our power of power will come into our first form. Then log a x. Here is our example. Then example number 3, log x power x. Similar power and base will be converted into 1. And log a1, if any number of power 1, then our result will be 0. Like log 5 power 1 equals to what? Equals to 0. Like log 5 power 5 equals to what? 1. Power and base similar, 1 power 1 equals to 0. Here is our formula number 4 and 5 as well. Formula number, our number of law is 6 for logarithm log ax. Here we can make it inverse relationship, log ax into log 1 by log x by a. X becomes the base and base will be the power. Then log a x log x divided by log a. We can write down this way. This formula, log x numerator and denominator log y. Then 8 number, here a log a x, then x power x comes to first, then log a into a. We know similar means 1, then x into 1 equals to x for question number 8. Then go for 9, log x log a y, then y comes first, then log, though a is our first capital and x is our the letter, the place of this letter is after a, and that is why we can write log a first and x into power. Then log a QXP. In this type of question, we have to write down power and power first. P by Q log base A left power X left. Answer. Stop it there. Remember one thing, that when base is not mentioned, it is taken as 0. When base is not mentioned in logarithm, we have to take the base as 10. We have to take the base as 10. Common logarithm. Those logarithms base are 10 is known as common logarithm. The logarithm of a number consists of two main parts. First one is characteristics and second one is mantissa. Characteristics is the integral part of a logarithm. Instead of -1, -2, -3, we may write down 1 bar. -1 means 1 bar, -1 means 1 bar, -2 means 2 bar, again -10, we may write down 10 bar. Stop it. Now talking about mantissa, there are two parts of a logarithm. One is first one is integral part, name is characteristics, and second one is mantissa. Characteristics is the integral part of a logarithm. That means integral part like 10, 20, 30. Characteristics. Then what is mantissa? Mantissa is the decimal part of a logarithm. That means decimal part, that means 20.00595. So our mantissa will be the decimal part and characteristics will be the integral part. Fraction is mantissa and non-fraction is characteristics. That's all. To know more about characteristics and mantissa of a logarithm, you have to wait for our second part of this logarithm. Second part of the video of logarithm, you have to wait until we are going to upload the second part. Then in the second part you will be clearly understood what is characteristics and what is mantissa. Now we are going to start our example. First example number 1. Have a look on our first example about logarithm. Here is a example, log 7 power 1 divided by 343. We may write down log 7 into 1 by 7 cube. 7 cube equals to 343. Why we write 7 cube? 7 power cube, because 7 power cube equals to 343. Now log 7 equals to, here 7 we may write 7 minus 3. 1 by 7 3 into 7 minus 3 we may write down, or we may write down 7 minus 3 equals to 1 by 7 cube. This is our formula about logarithm. Now power what? Power minus 3, and we know log 7 into 7 or log, we know from our formula log x by x equals to 1. Similar power and base 1. Similar power and base equals to 1. Then minus 3 equals to 1 equals to minus 3 into 1 equals to minus 3 is our result for the question number 1, for example number 1. Then go for the example number 2. So example number 2, before going to start our solution, we may eliminate our whole number into fractional number. Then how? Log 8 we may write down 2 cube, and 128 we may write down 2 power 7. Now we know power and power are similar together. Then log 7 by 3 into 2 power 2, or 2 power 2 into 7 by 3. 7 by 3 we may write down this 7 by 3 into the first position. That means 7 by 3 into log 2 2. Here is always again similar to our formula log x base x power x. We know log base x power x equals to 1. That means 7 by 3 into 1 equals to what? 7 by 3. 7 by 3. Here is our answer for the question number 2. For the question number 2, answer is 7 by 3. Look on our example number 3. Here is a given question. Question is if log root 8 power x equals to 10 by 3. Now we may write down log x 8 2 cube into x 10 by 3. Again log x will be here, and 2 here 3, that means 3 by 2. Root 2 equals to 1 by 2. Root 2 equals to 2 1 by 2, 2 half. That means root 2 cube equals to root 2 cube equals to 3 by 2 into 10 by 3 from the given question. Now 10 divided by 2 5, 3 deduct 3. That means log x 2 root 5 left. That means 2 root 5 means 32 or log 32 or only 32 is our answer for the question number 3. For the question number 3, our answer is 32 only, or log 32 or log 32. Thank you so much for watching Royal Media. Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates. Like, comment and share our Facebook pages. Rasul Ahmed, Royal Media, Bangladesh.